neighbors. Good morning, my neighbors. Good morning, my neighbors. I am that African girl all the way from Nigeria. Good morning, my neighbors. My neighbors, good morning. Alagbole. Alagbole ko. Ami oyo fobo chene. Imbulo poma yala. Obubuli ikom. Li ofu topu. Alagbole. Same. Same. My name is Patayaba. And that is good morning from Nigeria. Hi guys, good morning again. Welcome to another beautiful vlog. So right now I'm not close to my window blinds, as you can see, but I want to open it. Okay, I'm closing it. So look at my window opening on its own. Yeah, I know I've seen it, but I'm not the one that pressed the remote. But now I am pressing the remote because I know some people will come and say, oh, you've not seen this before. Auntie, I have seen it, but I did not open it with my hand. And this is my balcony behind, and it's actually a rainy day. This my balcony is a rainy day. Yeah, and I am going to close back. Away. Okay, it's closing. It's closing. It's closing. It's closing. I finally close it. That is what's up. Hi, family members. Hi, family members. So it's another beautiful day. You know already. I've had my breakfast already. I've taken my bed. So look at what I am wearing. So I'm wearing this. It's actually a big top. It's very, very big. And the trousers. I got this in the other city before coming here. That is at Guangzhou. I've been at Guangzhou. And right now I'm at Yiwu. Yeah. So I'm going out right now. Yes. And it's raining outside. And this is after 12. Let me see if I can get the rain, part of the rain. But I'm going to take you guys along my video today. I appreciate you guys. You guys know how it is already now. So let's go to the market. Is it? Yes, I'm going to the market. I'm going to get some kitchen things. Yeah, I want to go get some kitchen things. So let's go. Come with me. We've gotten bus yesterday already, but yeah. So I'm leaving. Bye. Okay, see the roll is so long than there, and I'm actually close to the window. I actually told them I wanted like the edge, because I told them I am a content creator, so I needed something like this, and the lady understood, so she gave me this, which I appreciate. Yeah, that's some period. It's a raining day in BAIYUN, China. It's actually raining. You can see it's raining. Look through the driver. It's raining. Rainy day in China. this place we did yesterday now. Yes, now. Now this building house be snap given now. Tell her the gate though, so you're gonna look the gate though. See 25. No, it's one market, but the waka you go waka, it then drop you that place. Let's see, I'm back. This building is tall. Oh, see their bus. They have like a mini bus. See their bus. See cars. See 26. Not waiting. Okay, use the old one now. This is how a rainy day look like in China. Yes, you can see they are holding umbrellas. This is 24. That's why I say to be that side. Gate 24. Raining day in China. Is the cars for me. What is that tomato? If let's say the same market, where Hi. The bomb is bomborized.
This rain mean today. Are you serious?
It's still raining.
Oh, wow. Our clothes man don't close.
You don't close.
Oh, don't.
Timoto.
Oh my God.
Sika. Timo. Oh my God. Oh. Sika. Ewe. Chai.
Now the people wash your leg now then carry this car.
Eh?
Yes.
Now our masseuse carry this kind of car. How can masseuse be carrying that kind of
My
car?
dear, you see the kind of car that says get carry.
Una, for you?
Yeah.
Our clothes man don't close.
You don't close.
Oh, don't.